Hi everyone, I'm Heidi Ducato and we are in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen sponsored by TSET, and I'm here with Chef Val. Thank you for joining me. She is from the OUTU School of Community Medicine, and it just looks, smells good, so I'm gonna just dive right in. I can't even talk, I'm so excited.
So this is a spring veggie salad. So we're gonna use some carrots, which, I mean, you can get carrots all year long, but this is definitely the time when we're harvesting carrots. And these are tricolor, so you have white carrots, of course, traditional orange, and some purple.
Perfect, so it's very colorful just in itself.
Right, and so feel free to, substitute anything you want for this. This could be turnips, rutabaga, beets, other root vegetables, parsnips. These will all work well in here. So this is just some baby arugula. So you could use spinach, you could chop up romaine, but we are just looking for something really easy and that has a lot of nutrients, very nutrient dense. So baby arugula.
And again, this is just getting more vegetables in your life.
That's right. Yeah, you could totally serve this salad with some chicken and fish on top or as a side.
So you can do a meat.
That's right. And we're going to sprinkle some beans on. These are navy beans. You could use garbanzo beans, black beans. I mean, really, kidney beans, any kind of beans that you like. Yes.
And those are cold, obviously, with the salad? Okay.
Yeah, so we have actually just drained and rinsed, and you'll remember that when you drain and rinse the beans, you're removing at least 50% of the sodium. Okay. And then we're just going to go for some of these roasted carrots right on top.
And you had those just in the oven with some olive oil, very simple.
Olive oil, salt and pepper, that's kind of my go-to, and just lots and lots of vegetables right over the top here. And then from there, you can really get creative. We're gonna add some dried cranberries to ours. You could do any kind of dried fruit, nuts, seeds, all wonderful additions.
It's so pretty and colorful.
It is very, very pretty.
So basically you kind of can just whatever you happen to have, whatever works for you, if there's an allergy or anything like that, you're basically just putting it together yourself.
Right. And so we've made vinaigrettes many times on air. This is just very simple: apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, a little honey, salt and pepper, and we're just gonna drizzle a little bit on there.
And that, I'm assuming too, you can just alter as needed.
That's right. I mean, balsamic vinegar really gives it a different flavor, and then you can get kind of fancy with your champagne vinegars and red wine vinegar. And that
if you're having fancy salad that night, you can change it up.
If it's fancy night, definitely use fancy vinegar. Okay, and then just a sprinkle of fresh herb. You could do parsley like we're doing, which is kind of a plain go-to, but get crazy. Go with tarragon. Go with cilantro.
Just to add whatever you want, just to make it prettier.
Right.
And taste amazing.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna move this over here just to see if you guys can see a better shot of it. I know it's beautiful if y'all could see it up close and personal, and I'm gonna have to taste at least the carrot or something, because I have to. It's so light. I mean, it's very substance, but light, and tastes very refreshing. I definitely think y'all need to check this one out as well as any others, and you can find them on KJRH.com.